Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on OGN. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that first OGN broke out a down channel on a daily time frame chart, and after that, it broke down the support of an up channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from this channel, by the way, we are watching on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this was the up channel. And the target for the breakdown from this channel that I was telling you in my previous videos was here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 8.8 cents or 9 cents. And you can see that the price line dropped up to 9 cents. Almost it has hit that target to the downside and recovered back. And now it is once again rejected by this long-term resistance of 16 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 16 cents this resistance has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks a month and support here. And therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at this very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for OGN that I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members in the previous month of November on 21st. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that OGN was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade signal buying sign, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected and predicted, the price then dropped more down and to the buying zone here. And we had a very, very nice reversal. And this was almost 78%, very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch each of the pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of OGN. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that despite we have broken down the support of this channel, and for a while we also broke down this long-term support of 11 cents, but the price line is now recovering back, and now it is trying to break out this resistance of 16 cents. And we have already, by the way, hit the target for the breakdown from this channel, but I'm waiting for the price line to hit the target for the breakout from this down channel. You can see that on the daily time frame chart. Now we are moved to the daily one, daily time frame. And here you can see that we have already broken out this down channel on the daily time frame chart. This was the smaller breakdown from this up channel and that I was showing a few moments ago on the 4-hour time frame chart. But on the daily time frame chart, on the bigger time frame, we have broken out this resistance of the channel, and now the trend is getting changed from the down to the upwards. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 28 cents. And by the way, at 28 cents, we have a very strong resistance that was recently breaking as a resistance here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that recently this 28 cents was breaking as a resistance, and before that, it was breaking as a very strong support here. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance for the price line of OGN. And now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, now we are switched to the weekly time frame chart, by the way. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 3.2 cents, $3.20 to $3.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.